Guys, welcome to Circuit Maker. In this video we are going to see about breadboard. Now let us start our video. For that I am going to Tinkercad and I will give you the link of Tinkercad software in description. You can see that in last video I have made a circuit. Now let us go to create new circuit. Now I am taking a breadboard. This is a breadboard. There is three types of breadboard. You can see. In search I will type breadboard. And now when I enter board, you can see when I click breadboard there will be breadboard small, breadboard and breadboard mini. This is breadboard small and breadboard will be big. Like this, and breadboard mini will look like this. You can see this is mini, this is small and this is big. Now I am taking breadboard small only. For that I will delete this two breadboard mini and big. Now I have deleted. Now you can see the breadboard are fully filled with pins. You can see this all pins are connected in this line. This also, this all in this line and this all in this line. You can see when I keep a pin hole, you can see the whole total is filled with green. When I keep it here, you can see this line. When I keep it here, this line. Even in upper side there is a negative and positive symbol. For example, I will show you the working of breadboard. Now I am taking a LED, and in breadboard always you should keep LED like this, or you should keep the LED like this. You should not keep the LED like this. Then the two lines will get in same pin. Now I am changing the position of it and I am keeping it here. Now I will take a resistor and even keep the resistor in here. You can even keep it here if the LED is here, because this full are covered with one metal part. So from this to this it is green. Now I am taking a battery and connecting negative and positive in this terminals. Now you can see the negative is filled. Now I am taking a wire of negative and giving it here. And now I am changing the color. And now take a resistor down and now connect it to positive. And now I will change the color. You can see now our circuit is finished. Now when I start the simulation, you can see the LED is glowing. Even we can use a push button in this. For that I am taking a push button, keeping it here and making the LED resistor here and the positive here. Now when I start the simulation, you can see the LED is not glowing. And when I click the button, you can see the LED is glowing. Even this, we can make more 2 to 3 projects at a time. So I am keeping another. In case of LED, I am taking one DC motor, keeping it here. And now I am taking the positive and connecting it to positive, and taking the negative and connecting it to negative. And now you can see when I start simulation, both will start working. Now you can see the motor is rotating this side. When I stop and change the pins positive and negative, then you can see the motor will rotate this side. You can see. And now I will take the positive and connect it here, and negative and connect it here. Now when I start the simulation, you can see the motor is rotating. At the same time, you can see the LED is also glowing. When I take it, the LED is not glowing. When I think, you can see that even the motor is rotating slow. When I take it, it's rotating speed because of voltage. If it get more voltage, it will rotate speed, and when it get less voltage, it will rotate slow. And now you learned about breadboard. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And I have given the link of Tinkercad software in description. Bye.